This comes in a couple different colors. I got the gray, has a little lip around it, and this is actually pretty grippy. It sticks here on my table. It kind of just doesn't move at all. It's got centimeters on the side, inches here, and you can kind of see the surface that you're working with. You can measure it out, whether you're doing pie or pizza or whatever. You just work the dough here and do what you need to do there, and then when you want to put it away, it just rolls up really nicely. And they even include a little thing here too, you know, keep it together, rolled up nice. It has a little hole here, I'm assuming that you can hang it up if you want to. I'm pleased with this. I really think this is gonna work great, especially when I need to use my countertops. I do not want to put stuff on my tile countertops for when I'm making dough and whatnot. This is gonna be perfect for that. So I love the large size, love the color. Like I said, super grippy. It works great here on my wood table, and then also super grippy on the tile as well.